branch. As we all know, the current branch incurs significant shipping costs, which reduce our profit margins. If we open a branch in a more strategic location, we can cut down on shipping costs and provide faster service to our customers. I believe that a location closer to our customers could be an effective solution. For example, if we open a branch in an area closer to our main consumer base, the shipping will be faster and the logistic costs can be reduced. This would in turn enhance customer satisfaction and potentially increase their loyalty to us. I also want to emphasize that this is not just about cutting costs. The opening of a new branch will improve our brand visibility. We can introduce products directly to the local market. With the new branch, we can optimize interactions with customers and better understand their needs. Of course, this requires a significant initial investment. However, if we consider the long-term savings from reduced shipping costs, I believe this investment will pay off within a few years. Moreover, we will be more flexible in serving our customers and meeting the growing market demand. So, in my opinion, the first step is to conduct a feasibility study to ensure that opening a new branch will be profitable both financially and operationally. We need to assess how much the cost will be as well as the potential savings from reduced shipping costs and improved service. I'd like to hear your thoughts on this. Do you agree that this could be a beneficial move for our company?
I agree with your colleague said. I think opening a new branch is a great idea, especially when we consider the high shipping costs we are facing right now. By opening a new branch, we can significantly cut down on the cost. I also think that beyond just shipping costs, opening a new branch could help us reach a broader market. We could build stronger relationship with customers in the new location, which all exciting customer satisfaction ultimately. This could let a bond in sale. I also see potential benefit in marketing with a new brand. We can focus our marketing effort, your activation on the local market. And for example, we could organize events or promotion that are exclusive to the region, which will extend more customers. I understand that initial cost of opening a new branch is high, but if we talk about long-term saving on shipping, I feel this investment will play also pros and opportunity to introduce new product that better cater to local needs. Of course, we need to product touch research to choose the right location. If we pick the wrong location, opening a new branch could end up being a loss. We are covering a solid feasibility study is never necessary, and we need to make sure the location has a larger out market potential. Overall, I strongly support this plan. I believe if we do research properly and calculate everything careful, opening a new branch will have a positive impact on your company. with this idea, but I don't like to add a few considerations. Well, while I support opening a new branch, we also need to think about how we can leverage technology to support the operation of the new branch with a more advanced logistic and management system. We call maximize efficiency at the new branch and recoup operational costs. If we can utilize technology to optimize inventory management and shipping, will be able to enhance overall efficiency. This will also help recoup our reliance on external shipping service and give us more control over the distribution process. I want to remind everyone that in addition to shipping costs, we should also factor in other additional expenses, just as employee salaries, rent, and administrative costs. While to saving on shipping will be beneficial, we must not overlook the potential hidden costs that may arise. That say, I believe that with a new branch, we'll be able to speed up delivery time and improve customer service. This will undoubtedly have a positive impact on customer experience. Will be able to produce faster deliveries, which is held by customer. Additionally, if we choose the right location, we call again better against the new markets that we have not reached with our existing brands. This is an operationality we also not miss. I think we need to carefully consider these factors. I agree that conducting a feasibility study is a critical first step. We are not too edge. We have enough data to make the right decision. I also believe this is a growth opportunity, and I support this idea as long as we prepare everything properly.
Sorry, I like to offer a slightly different perspective. I understand the argument about high shipping costs, but I think we need to be content. We making a big decision like opening a new branch. Setting up a new branch requires a significant investment, but in infrastructure and operation, I'm concerned that even without shipping saving could help we make stronger to manage these new brands effectively. We need consider whether we have enough resources to open the new brands without compromising the quality of our existing operations. Additionally, we must remember that with a new brand comes more challenge in management, such as maintaining service consistency across all brands. If we fail to ensure our brands are opening smoothly, it could damage our reputation. Internet of opening a new brand, perhaps there are other more efficient solutions to reduce shipping costs. For example, we can partner with more efficient logistic provider or optimize the existing shipping routes. I feel that before deciding to open a new branch, we need to evaluate our resources and whether we are prepared to face those challenges. I'm also concerned about whether this move will yield significant return in the short term. I think we should focus on maximizing the protection of the brands we already have before jumping into opening a new one. I agree the further research is needed, but I believe we need more time to strongly evaluate the pros and cons of opening a new brand.
Thank you for your input and understand your concerns. I agree that opening a new brand that requires serious consideration and the risks involved shouldn't be taken lightly. However, if we keep delaying or avoiding such big moves, we might fall behind our competitors. I believe the way to minimize risks is to start small. For example, we could open a smaller branch initially and see how the market responds. If the branch proves successful, we can expand further. This way, we reduce the risk and ensure we're not making an over-legal commitment at launch. I also believe that with the right technology in place, we can manage a new branch more efficiently. Better management system will allow us to monitor a branch in real time and ensure everything runs smoothly. Of course, I agree that we need to ensure the brand will be financially beneficial before proceeding. I support the idea of condition through pressure to ensure we're making the right decision. However, I remain confident that if we can cut shipping costs and offer better service to our customers, the long-term benefits of opening a new branch will far outweigh the initial investment. I want to make sure we have a solid plan and enough data to make an informed decision. I agreed with conducting a feasibility study to ensure we are on the right path. I'm really hopeful that we can proceed with this idea, but with the proper caution and preparation.
Sorry to interrupt for a moment. I understand that opening a new branch might be beneficial, but what about the logistical challenge we will face in the beginning? Have we fully accounted for the operational and managerial costs of running a new branch? I think we also need to make sure we have enough qualification staff to manage the new branch. Do we have enough people with the right experience to run the new branch without affecting the operation of the existing branch? I also want to emphasize that while reducing shipping costs is important, we must ensure that location job costs for the new branch actual as well as not customer base. We can afford to open branch with less than those profitable. Therefore, I think we need to be extra careful and consider all aspects before making any decision. We don't want to cross into anything and in according to company. Maybe we can start with small select office that doesn't require a lot investment. This could be a starting point to test market and so is this model is full. So before we have work is with this brand, I want to make sure we have drop all of this factory careful. Are we ready in terms of legation and resources? I believe this could be a great step for the company, but we must make sure everything runs smoothly.